Okay, so you've successfully downloaded Git. Now it's time to install something that'll make Git a little easier. So by default, you can interact exclusively with Git through the terminal interface that we were using in the last video. But for beginners, that can be somewhat difficult. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a visual client, something that you can click buttons and it will do everything that you need Git to do. And it's helpful to get started. Once you've used it for a while, you may want to transition to using the command line, but let's download that client. So here on the download for Windows, you'll click download a GUI, and then you'll click GitHub Desktop. This is a free tool to interact with Git, and it also connects with GitHub. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click download now, and then it's going to detect what operating system you're on. And I am on a Windows, so you're going to want to get the correct version. I'm going to click download. When I do, it starts downloading it. I have, just like in the last video, previously downloaded this, so I'm going to click this installer and open it up. And in a second here, it'll launch a window that tells me that GitHub Desktop is being installed. It'll launch once it's done. So it's going to install for a little bit. And then your window is probably going to look slightly different from mine when it does finally install. That is because I had to uninstall GitHub Desktop in order to demonstrate installing it. But what you're going to want to do is you may have a sign in button right here on the home screen. But if not, you're going to come up here to File, going to come to Options, and then you're going to sign into your github.com account. What I wanted to show you is if you click on Git, you can see that the git config commands that we ran in the last video are stored so that the default branch is always named main, and we've got our email and our username here. Here, you'll want to sign into github.com, and we will talk about that in the next video. But if you see the app launched, then you are good to go.